Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we analyze market trends using various chart timeframes and data. Let's start by reviewing recent news about Litecoin. Recent headlines suggest significant buying pressure from Litecoin miners, potentially indicating bullish sentiment. A Litecoin ETF is also rumored to be in consideration, which, if successful, could cause significant price appreciation. Now, let's turn to the charts. Here's the daily chart, showing a recent price increase of 35% since December 10th. We can observe a clear upward trend, potentially signaling a bullish market. Notice the significant volume increase during the price surge. This high volume confirms the strength of the rally. However, it's important to remember that high volume can also be associated with downward trends. Let's zoom in on the last week of price action on the daily chart to examine any areas of support and resistance. The support levels in this range seem to be around $115 to $117. We notice a strong resistance around $125. Now, for a more detailed look at recent short-term trends, we'll switch to the 1-hour chart. This view allows us to see more detailed price movements. The 1-hour chart shows more volatility than the daily chart. We can see that several candlestick patterns have occurred during the last week. If we analyze these patterns, many of them show bullish sentiment. This aligns well with the news about increased buying pressure. Let's examine the volume here. The volume on the 1-hour chart is noticeably lower than on the daily chart. This is consistent with what we might expect to see in a more stable market. Switching gears to the 15-minute chart, we'll focus on the most recent price movements. Here we can analyze the candlestick patterns, which reveal short-term trends in greater detail. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see a lot more fluctuation. This high frequency of change is very normal for a short-term view. However, this chart also reinforces the daily and hourly chart's bullish sentiment. The 15-minute chart can assist with identifying short-term entry and exit points, although it's important to use appropriate risk management. In summary, the news and chart analysis both suggest a bullish outlook for Litecoin in the short term. The recent price increase shows strong bullish momentum. Key support is seen around $115 to $117, while key resistance is around $125. However, volatility remains a factor. The 15-minute chart provides opportunities to look for short-term entry and exit points. A sustained break above $125 with increased volume would significantly reinforce the bullish case. Conversely, a drop below $115 with high volume would be a bearish signal. Keep an eye on news regarding the Litecoin ETF filing for more potential correlations.